Here we are given a composite function and asked to find one of the components. The composition this time is uppercase f of x equals log base 3 of x minus 5 minus 4. And we are told that the outer function is log base 3 of x quantity minus 4. And so we would have that the composition of f with g of x equals the uppercase f of x. But by definition of a composition, that's the same as what f takes g of x to. Now, substituting the values for f and lowercase f and uppercase f, we see that lowercase f takes any input to the log base 3 of that input quantity minus 4. So we're going to have the log base 3 of g of x minus 4 on the left, and on the right we're going to have the log base 3 of the quantity x minus 5 minus 4. So we see that x minus 5 has been substituted for g of x, and so g of x is equal to x minus 5. In the second example, we have the uppercase f of x is log base 2 of x minus 6, quantity subtract 3, and that the outer function is x minus 3. So this time, again, we have the composition of f with g of x equals uppercase f of x, or what f takes g of x to is the same as uppercase f of x. But f takes everything or anything to itself minus 3. So f is going to take g of x to g of x quantity minus 3. And uppercase f of x takes x to log base 2 of x minus 6 minus 3. So by adding 3 to both sides here, we see that g of x is equal to log base 2 of x minus 6. In the next example, we have uppercase f of x is the quotient of common log of x to common log of 3, and that g of x, the inner function, is log x. So again, we have the composition of f with g of x will be the uppercase f of x This would be what f takes g of x to. This time we can substitute log x for g. So f of log x, f of the common log of x, is the common log of x divided by the common log of 3. So here we can see the common log of x in 2 positions there. And so taking out the log x and replacing x, we would get f of x would equal x divided by common log of 3. And in the last example, we have the composite function is the quotient of 2 to the x divided by 7 plus 2 to the x, and that the inner function is 2 to the x. So again, we have composition of f with g of x is our uppercase f of x, and this is f of g of x. This time we know g of x is 2 to the x, and uppercase f of x is 2 to the x over 7 plus 2 to the x. So this time we see the 2 to the x on the left and twice on the right. So if we substitute x for the 2 to the x, we would have f of x equals x over 7 plus x.